In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload receipts in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so you can capture expenses fast and keep your books organized. Start by signing into the correct company, then go to the left menu and open Transactions. In some accounts, it shows as expenses, and look for the receipts or receipt capture area. You'll see an upload box where you can drag and drop a JPG, PNG, or PDF. Just make sure the image is sharp, well lit, and includes the full receipt so QuickBooks can read it properly. Drop the file in and give it a moment. QuickBooks will scan the receipt and attempt to autofill details like vendor, date, total, and tax, which can save you a lot of manual typing. The key step is reviewing the fields after the scan. Confirm the vendor name, check the transaction date, and verify the total and decimals match the receipt, because blurry photos or multiple totals can lead to mistakes. Then assign the correct category and account, and if it's billable or tied to a customer or project, link it before saving so your reporting stays clean. Once saved, the receipt stays attached for your records, making audits and reconciliations easier. Subscribe for more QuickBooks shortcuts that save time and keep your numbers accurate.